When the rolling gets rough, those in the know get ACDelco Gold bearing components to replace and repair failing bearings and hubs. When used correctly, a wheel bearing can last up to 100,000 miles, but when improperly designed, manufactured, or installed, they can fail prematurely. Know the signs. If you hear a grinding or humming noise that becomes louder when turning, your bearing has failed, which could be a result of excessive internal stress or contamination from loss of seal function. Is your anti-lock braking system light on? It could be that your ABS cable was installed improperly, routed incorrectly, or a cable other than the one supplied was used. Hearing a clunking noise and your ABS light is on? Your bearing has lost retention, possibly due to improper axle nut torque, and needs to be replaced. No matter the type of bearing problem, ACDelco Gold bearing components offer a solution for your GM and for nearly every automotive make and model. Recognize your bearing problem and replace with ACDelco Gold bearing components that are backed by General Motors.